Alright, you guys, I gotta share lessons learned here. Don't put any grease between the bushing and the shaft if you do this. Either it's in such a dirty environment that all the lint and stuff inside the dryer wicked away all of the oil, leaving behind only the solids of the grease, or this is one of those bushings that is oil impregnated and it drank all the oil out of the grease, leaving behind only the solids of the grease. But what ended up happening was, this would have worked great if I didn't grease the shaft and the bushing inner diameter. But what ended up happening was all the oil disappeared somehow, leaving behind only the solids. It got kind of gummy and hard to rotate. And when that ended up happening, the pulley seized up. And what ended up happening was like it lost the interference fit between the OD of this bushing and the ID of this pulley. The pulley came off the bushing, but the snap ring and the washer, the thrust washer, held up. Anyways, so don't use grease. I think these are meant to run dry. Indeed they are, after what I just figured out. And then that configuration that you saw in a previous video of mine, where it has two ball bearings on this shaft, this bracket is the exact same shape as the one that's used in this dryer right here. However, that bracket, this metal thing, it was missing this boss, so it wasn't quite interchangeable with this dryer. What I did was I put a couple washers, flat washers here, to kind of like make up that missing thickness, because it was missing the boss. And that right now was inside this dryer, running well with the snap ring. So yeah, like I said, I gotta share lessons learned, or else you guys are all gonna hate me.